What if I told you that everything you think you know about Black identity is based on untruths? Today, we're diving deep into the truth that's hiding in plain sight. The story of who is considered Black has sparked debates for generations, especially in America. But the truth goes beyond appearances or history. It's rooted in the spiritual and scientific foundations of human existence. From Vice President Kamala Harris to the teachings of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, we're exploring the profound origins of Black identity and what it means to be Black in today's world. Greetings and welcome, history seekers. I'm Carolyn A. from GettingToTheRoots.com. Here, we're all about uncovering and celebrating your unique family history. Together, we'll explore and honor the stories that define us. Let's dive in. Who is really Black in America? The question of who is considered Black has been debated for generations. Many people define Blackness based on appearances, such as skin color, hair texture, or facial features. But Black identity is more than just how someone looks. It is tied to culture, history, and self-identification. And it spans a wide range of regions and nationalities. Black people who live in the United States come from all over the world, not just Africa. People with dark skin or African ancestry can be from Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, or other Caribbean islands. They can also be Afro-Latinos from countries like Brazil, Colombia, or the Dominican Republic. On the African continent, Black people represent hundreds of ethnic groups, speaking thousands of languages and practicing diverse traditions. Black identity even extends to regions where it might not be expected, like Europe or Asia. For example, the Siddhis in India are descendants of Africans with their own distinct culture. This global diversity highlights that Blackness is not one single experience. An African American, whose ancestors were enslaved in the United States, may have a very different cultural identity from someone who grew up in Nigeria or Jamaica. While they may share some struggles, such as facing racism or discrimination, their traditions, languages, and histories are unique to their communities. Black culture isn't one size fits all. The many names Blacks were called? Throughout history, individuals of African descent in the United States have been labeled with various terms, each carrying its own connotations and implications. Enslavers and oppressors often used derogatory names such as the N-word, coon, quadroon, octoroon, and freedman to dehumanize and control. In response, the Black community adopted empowering identifiers like Afro-American, African American, and Black to assert their identity and heritage. Influential leaders have also introduced terms to redefine Black identity. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, leader of the Nation of Islam, referred to Black individuals as the original Asiatic Black man, emphasizing a connection to ancient civilizations and a distinguished heritage. Noble Drew Ali, founder of the Moorish Science Temple of America, taught that African Americans are descendants of the Moabites and thus are Moorish by nationality and Islamic by faith. The term original holds particular significance as it aligns with scientific findings.
That's a wrap, history seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.